Hi everyone, welcome back to Salesforce Talks. In today's video, we are going to discuss about dynamic forms. Okay, so here I have a custom object called the new employees. So if I click new, I have few fields. So I have a field called type. So this is to track what type of employee we are going to create, fresher or experienced. So here I have three fields related to fresher record, and below we have three fields related to experienced employee. Okay, so I need to display only the first three fields for fresher, and these three fields only for the experienced employees. So in order to achieve this scenario, what we will do usually, we'll be creating the record types, we'll be creating two page layouts to achieve this. So if you're using the new concept dynamic forms, we don't have to create record types or multiple page layouts. We can achieve this within the single page itself. Okay, let's see how we can achieve this scenario. So go to first we'll create on record, dummy record, and then go here, click edit page. Okay, so we are going to edit this lightning record page. Yeah, this page is displayed. So click on this detail page. So if you click inside, here you will be seeing an option to upgrade your normal page to dynamic forms. Okay, click upgrade. Next, choose, click finish. Now you can see your page got upgraded to lightning dynamic forms. Okay, so earlier if you want to reorder your fields also, what we did, we went to the page layout and we reordered or arranged the fields. So here in the dynamic forms, if you want to rearrange the fields order, you can do it here itself. See, so now we kept achieve the dynamic forms, right? So what is our requirement is, so these three fields, degree completed on, trained in Salesforce, sorry, trained in software, and the skills. So these fields should be displayed if the employee type is fresher. So if the employee type is experience, then we need to display the previous company, total experience, and previous role, these fields. Okay, let's see how we are going to achieve it. So click on this field, degree completed on. So here in the right hand side, you can see add filter option. Okay, so we are going to add a condition for this field when this field should be displayed. So this field should be displayed if the type equal to fresher, otherwise it should not be displayed. So I am going to set this condition using this filter option. Click add filter. Here all the field will be displayed. So here choose type, type equal to fresher, like that. Okay, so now whenever the type is fresher, this field will be displayed. Once you added the condition, this amber I symbol will be displayed here. Okay. So next one is trained on Salesforce. Okay. This also should be displayed whenever the type is fresher. So click add filter, type equal to fresher. Okay. Then this field, where is the skills? When this would be displayed. So whenever the fresher is trained in software is true, then only they should be displayed. If the person is not trained, then the skills should not be displayed. Okay, so I am setting the filter based on this field. Okay, so here trained in software equals to true. Done. Okay, so I have set the condition for all these three. The next regarding total experience in months. So for this one, I'm setting the condition type equal to experienced. Then, so previous company name, this also should be displayed when the type equal to experienced. Add filter, the previous role also, type equal to experience, click done. So I have set the filter for all the fields. Okay, then click save. If you are doing the changes for the first time in the Lightning record page, it will ask you to activate. Click activate, and here choose app default and choose your application. Employee admin, click next, next, save. Now if you go back, so here we can see as of now it is showing only two fields. Okay, sure. I think I have set the condition for this field. Let me check again. It is displayed. Previous company name. No, I missed to add the condition for this one. That's why it was displayed. So set condition type equal to experienced. Click done. Click save. Yeah, now the filter is added. So here you can see only two fields are displayed now, the name and the type. So based on the type you choose, the other fields will be displayed now. So this is the dynamic forms. Go here. So type, if I choose fresher, you can see these two fields are displayed. Degree completed on to trained in Satar. So if I click this checkbox, then the other field will be displayed. So what are the skills? He is trained. If it is false, this field will not be displayed based on our filter. Okay. So if you choose experienced, see the other fields are displayed. Total experience, previous company name, previous role. So this is how you can display the fields based on the condition. So this is called as dynamic forms. So once you created the dynamic forms, you need to consider one more thing. Okay, once you upgraded your page to the dynamic form, and if you're creating any new fields in this object, it will not get added automatically. For example, if you go to object, fields and relationship, new, currency, annual CTC. Okay, I have created this field. But if you go here, it will not display. Okay, so even if you log out and log in, it will not come. See, the field is not displayed. So what you need to do, you need to go to the page. There you need to manually add the field to the page. So that one we need to consider when you are using the dynamic forms. Okay. So go to fields in the left hand side, go to the fields. So here the annual CTC field is there, right? So you need to drag it and add it to a page. Otherwise, the new fields will not be displayed in your object. Okay, click save. If you go back, now you can see the new field got added. Okay, that's all about the dynamic forms. Thank you.